a series of rolls. Can you spot him coming in from your right? There he is, pulling up and he rolls. And now please look to your left. You have got 8 aircraft flying less than 5 meters away, and they will now pull up and roll majestically in the sky. Here they go, pulling up to present the barrel roll. And now please tighten those seat belts and hold tight, because you are now about to witness the speed and agility of this magnificent aircraft. So please look towards your right as you will see number 7 coming in towards you, passing through the skies at more than 800 kilometers per hour. Coming up next is a maneuver which is the Suryakiran team's signature maneuver. You will see the aircraft of the team approaching you from in front. And as they get closer, they will go pulling up towards the sky as if living up to the motto of the Indian Air Force, touch the sky with glory. And as they come down on the leader's call, they will disperse in the sky like the rays of the sun. So please shift your gaze straight ahead for the next and signature maneuver of the Suryakiran team. Here they are, and there they go pulling up. Don't go anywhere just yet, because we are just getting started. That maneuver marked the end of the composite phase of this display. But get ready, because the aircraft will now commence the synchronous phase, in which we are going to bring the action much lower and closer to you. The aircraft will now split into smaller elements of 2, 3 and 5 and come towards you from different directions at lightning fast speeds. Get set for the very first synchro maneuver. If you look towards your left, you can see 2 aircraft coming towards you. They are number 8 being followed by number 6. But also look towards your right, because here comes number 9 being followed by number 5. Get set to witness these aircraft crossing each other right in front of you, presenting the barbed wire cross. दूं कि ऐसे जोखिम भरे करतब इतनी दक्षता से करने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत और एक दूसरे पर पूरी तरह भरोसा करना बहुत ही जरूरी है। तो इसी कठिन परिश्रम और अटूट भरोसे की एक और झलक आपको दिखाने आ रहे हैं नंबर 8 इस बार आपकी दाहिनी ओर से। Please look to your right as here comes squadron leader Ankit Vashisht. But if you look to your left, you can see Wing Commander Alan George coming in for the coolest high five in the sky. And now, please look towards your right. You will see the team leader coming in with his wingmen, and they will be formed up in the shape of the English letter A. And this A represents the mighty aerospace power of India, and celebrating the grand finale of Aero India 2025. So they are coming in from your right. But who's this from your left? Please look up, ladies and gentlemen. There goes our Bangalore ball. Commanding Manju Patel from possibly Alpha and now showcasing a spectacular look. Coming up next, you will see 3 aircraft approaching you in formation. But as they get closer, you will see that one of these aircraft will turn upside down. But don't worry, he has complete faith in his wingmen to guide him in the sky, even when flying inverted. Here they are from your right. And that's Wing Commander Alan George flying inverted. In the team's next maneuver, you will see 5 aircraft approaching us together. But very soon, 2 of the inner members will be seen rolling outwards and exchanging position with the outer members. Confused about what you just heard? Well, it's better to take a look for yourself. Please look to your right and get ready to witness the rollbacks. इस टीम का अगला मैनूवर है बहुत ही खास, क्योंकि ये दर्शाता है अनेकता में एकता, जो है भारत की विशेषता। Please look slightly towards your left. You can see 4 aircraft pulling up and are about to roll majestically in the sky. which are patriotism, empathy, trust, and brotherhood. Here they come, positioning from your left to fly by one last time in front of you all. Well, brace yourselves because in the next maneuver you will see number 1, 2 and 3 flying straight and number 4 and 7 will be seen flying around them in circles forming a helix resembling the DNA. Please look to your left. Here's presenting the DNA maneuver. Coming up next, you will see 3 aircraft flying in towards you in perfect alignment, one behind the other. A display of precision, discipline, and unwavering determination. Look straight ahead, here they come, and they will soon disperse in the sky, symbolizing the 3 mighty arms of the Indian Armed Forces, the Army, Navy, and the Air Force. From straight ahead, here's presenting the Trishul maneuver. And now get ready to watch an aerial rock and roll. If you look to your right, you can see 5 aircraft coming in towards you. But on my count of 3, 2, 1, they will roll together synchronously in the sky. Please shift your gaze to your right as here they are. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, here we go! सजा है, कली कुसुम से पद सजा है, बादलों से अनुचरों ने स्वर्ण की पोशाक धारी, आ रही रवि की सवारी, आ रही रवि की सवारी। That's our daredevil and our Bangalore boy, Wing Commander Arjun Patel, just demonstrating the arm movement. Please keep up the applause as here he comes right back towards you. Take a closer look at his audience. Do wave at him as he's also waving at you from his cockpit. And now look straight ahead. Here comes the team approaching you together, proudly waving the tricolor in the sky. But all the leaders call, they will spread out in different directions. So let's hear the leader because he has a special message for you all.
Sorry, given team, I just all the people of